When you buy a whole fish, do you throw away the fish head? Well, today I'm going to show you how to make the most delicious oven baked fish head. Let's get started. Alright, so let's go ahead and bake this fish head and tail that I have left over from when I made my fish curry the other day. Here are the seasonings I will be using. I will list them in the description or the caption. You want to mix that well to combine. Once done, you're going to coat the fish with the seasonings. I will also add some fresh green seasoning here as well. If you don't have green seasoning, it's okay. Just use the dry seasonings. But if you do have green seasoning, it will make a difference. So you're going to coat the fish very well. Once done, you're going to set aside to marinate for about 30 minutes to an hour. Now let's go ahead and season the vegetables I'll be using. I have okra, some carrots, onions, bell peppers, 1 habanero pepper, and some thyme. So I added some salt and some complete seasoning, mix well. And yeah, we're gonna transfer it to our baking dish and we're gonna add the fish in, and you can just assemble it however you like. You know, make it look nice and pretty. And once we're done, we're gonna top it with some butter. At this point, you should have your oven preheated to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. We're going to stick the fish in and let it go for about 45 minutes. Let this fish bake properly. You're not going to cover it. Just leave it uncovered for 45 minutes. After that, this is how it should look. It was perfectly done. The veggies were not overcooked. And yeah, I couldn't wait to dig into this because this was just for me. My family, they don't like fish with bones. They don't like fish head. They're too picky for me, so I just enjoy this by myself. Garnish with fresh parsley and plate it up. And today I had it with some Guyanese duff or dumplings. And yeah, when I tell you chef kiss, mwah, I had this for lunch and dinner. So give the recipe a try. Let me know what you guys think. I will leave all the ingredients and measurements in the description or the caption, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching and enjoy.